do.
Hold have you found it?
Well,
that was exciting.
My name is Brittany, and
yeah, I was low-key scared of him. The look. Kiwi strawberry over. I was driving. You also can't move it unless I move. Again. Hold on.
Five, 6, 7, 8.
Burping. Come on, Lex, let's go. Don't burp.
No, bro. No.
so funny.
All right.
I have to burp.
This man. Oh. So. Fuck off, cunt.
The fuck?
Gabriel burps. Emma Chamberlain, thank you for the clickbait thumbnail and title. We appreciate it.
It heard.
I wasn't serious about kicking the dog. Again.
Wow, the best. Okay.
Ryan and I, we were talking a lot about travel and how much perspective
What is going on?
It's really interesting to visit. I've never
That's unreal.
had burps like this.
Little thing. It's really cool. Or like multiple. Sorry, I've been holding that in for so long.
Ooh. You see? And that's how they react. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I get the same feedback I used to get. Come on now, really? There you go. And, I mean, that is the ultimate goal. I want to say 20 or 19. We're getting there. We're getting there for sure. All right, so next question. Again, background noise. Oh, it's coming. Don't. Place, like everybody was all over the place. It was in a 115 movie. I feel another one coming. Wait. So. All right. Whoa. I tried to do this was I was hoping for it to be someone that I don't know, or someone that I don't even know what that is. Because that hadn't happened to me in a minute. Excuse me. That hadn't. I needed that. I needed that. Whoa. You guys are going to Fine. That felt amazing.
I don't remember eating any of what I just tasted, but like I'm not gonna question it. He's like, please let me go to the movies. That's fine.
I used to be able.
That's mine. No, this is mine. That's mine. That's disgusting.
Ew, what is chat constantly saying not saying that. Someone does burritos. Ooh! Did you like it?
I did.
Actually, wait, Pam. Sean. Finish the merch. Does Trisha do that? Now that I have my full... Trisha has... I'm so excited. Already running late. 14 West Melrose. Anyways, I might get hives. So many freaking face products. That felt good. A good burp in the morning really gets you going. We have... Woo, yeah! We have the Frank Body Creamy Face Mask. That was a song. Ooh. Today I'm gonna be... Like, look at that. Look at that. Ugh, I can't stop burping either. This is horrible. So yeah, it's still sunny outside.
Excuse me.
Okay, so since I have all you with another YouTube video, I don't know why I burp all the time. Okay, cool. Anyways, sorry. I guess it's the way she does it. She like, excuse me, she like clumps it up, I guess, kind of. Ooh. Oh, my hair. You witnessing me dry. Oh my. I don't know what's up. That was 3 burps in a row. Ooh, sorry. Hey, my birthday is wow. It's 2 o'clock. Hair's going around. Excuse me. And yesterday I was that. Do you see that? Like anything, but it's bad. I do not shave my armpits. Day of the transfer. Excuse me, Mation. I'm gonna like to be on a Nickelodeon show. I'm sorry. Now, to be completely honest with you.
Yeah, bushes.
Right next to it. I can't stop burping. Wait, here they do sauce and food. Please? That was good.
Anyways, Deja. Okay, so we're going to unwrap the... Use my card. Bye.
Are you for real?
Yeah, you can do that. Put all your ingredients here. You want caramel sauce and then...
Yeah.
Me. That was...
100 E's. Elephant 1 SUV. SOS. It was like this.
Wow, did you have to burp? Oh, because that's what happened to me. As well as mine, Deja. Oh my god. It's hard because Deja broke her rib. Redskins. Deja.
What?
Deja.
It tastes like Coke.
Of course.
You can see my hand. I'm not trying to pick a seat. There's slides.
You still got hiccups.
I hate hiccups. No, that's another fact right there. I hate hiccups are the worst things ever created. Like, my day is getting ruined. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciated you so much for watching this video. It's silicone, and you can throw it in the garbage, so you don't have to like wash it. Oh my gosh. I get up against like a fabric, and these with earplugs are just the best experience ever. Ah! This is my closet. Yeah. Hello. Okay, good. It's not occupied. Welcome. Like my toe, it's like really small, but in here it hurts, man. Beauty is pain. Thank you guys so much. Today, my mom is gonna go through my TikToks. Yay! Da-da-da. So I make a lot of TikToks. I'll link them down below for you guys. And I would love to surprise my mom with them. What's wrong with your door, dude? That made me flip.
Potential. I think you have potential to be a stage performer.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, where are we off to next?
Top, I love it so much. And I also have these fairy lights for like a super long time, and it's really nice to have them in my room. Today I went to the dollar. In the past 3 days, I've eaten like 9 ice cream bars. Yeah, leave a comment down below if you're going to get braces soon, and if you need anything, just probably smash your head and leaves a mark, make some bangs. So the video told me to part my hair into a section at the top.
There it is.
Make sure your phone isn't tapped, type in this key code, and you will find out if your phone is tapped or not. I don't even know if this is a thing or not, but next tapped! Oh, here, I didn't see you there. It's time for the next.
So they're not in your.
Links, where you can add links to your videos. Big mistake! I was in class, I was on TikTok, and I was like, there was like some videos with. Let's see. Oh, hey. Okay. What do you do here? Do you just look at people?
Oh.
Bruh! Saren laughs like a baby. This would stay. It was so bad. I have an idea. Why don't you not like kill your eye when you're putting? This actually can help with like anxiety or stress, and it can also help you focus as well. Like I remember when I used to be in grade 5, I would always have some like slime in my hands so that I can focus. So these are actually pretty beneficial. This is so exciting. I feel like a little kid, but dang, you always gotta get that Gabby's twist. You always gotta put that Gabby twist because we could have eaten, and we're just gonna apply it on our eye. Okay, first side done, yes. We're gonna do it on both sides. Maybe we can even do like a little look, like kind of going past. Shout out to my boy Joaquin.
Shout out to
Shout out to my boy Joaquin.
Whack.
So that's who she's gonna become right now.